Hey there, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We got my man Michael's 1,000 gallon TMG on a trailer, ready to ship out, ship across the country. My man Michael, brother, we appreciate you. You got a slick rig here. Let's check her out, guys. Now, first off, it is on our trailer package. Now, listen here, we build all of our trailers in-house and we design around your setup. So I gave my man Michael a call, figured out what exactly he wanted on it. He's got some goodies on the back you'll see here in a minute. We designed this trailer out, sent him a layout, he approved it, boom, we're ready to rock and roll. So up front, we got a little storage. Now he did add our 12-volt power package. What that is, marine battery, all right, with a battery tender, electric jack up front. That way you're not sitting here cranking around your damn jack. Hey, push button, up, down, makes it easy, all right? Also, the winch, raise and lower the stack. Stack's folded down, you just sit here, man. Damn, that's easy. I'll tell you what, push of a button, folks. That's all it is. Boom. Throw your little wing nut in, you're ready to go. Ready to cook some good brisket. All right, speaking of good brisket, this TMG 1000, I've heard, rumor going around, cooks the best brisket. It's just a rumor, guys, but I heard that's going around. Let's check her out here. The only option on the smoker itself is a top thermometer. I'm gonna charge you extra for that. Other than that, it's all standard. Fold down stack, standard. Insulated firebox standard, all top grates. Look, every single door, boom, you got your top grate, folks. We don't leave nothing out on this bad boy. Bottom grates are fixed, they are removable. 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain in the bottom. Michael did add our stainless steel fender topper on both sides. Dual 6,000 pound axles, brake axle in the rear. Got the notorious PIG stainless steel logo on there for him. Now guys, our firebox on every tank smoker we build, fully insulated, right? The door is insulated. We got a 3/8 thick pipe on the inside. It's wrapped with insulation. The front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat very nicely. Makes the smoker just run like a dream. Now on the back here, we've got our stainless steel prep tables. We're able to fit 2 on this setup. Depending on what you have, we can fit more or less. Folds up, get to all your wood storage coolers. He also had me add this little wraparound deal here. Looks slick. Painted in gloss black, of course. Hey, we can do custom colors. All right, give me a call. Let me know what you want. I'll paint it pink if you want. I won't be happy about it, but I'll do it. Stainless steel fender topper on this side. Little fixed piece of stainless steel right here next to his 60 by 30 Santa Maria grill, guys. Raise and lower your cooking grate with ease. You got your double doors here. Tend your coals, move your coals around. Now where are those coals gonna come from? It's funny you ask, guys. We got a burn down box right next to it, ready to rock and roll. Burn your wood down in the coals. A little more storage up front. Of course, we finish them off with a spare tire. You don't want to be stuck on the side of the road, guys, without a spare. It's 300 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Add that sucker on there. You'd be happy you did, guys. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.